All right, guys, I am in Union Station, St. Louis Hotel Hilton Curio. I just walked in. I have to admit, the hallway had a little bit of a stench, but I see the cleaning crew cleaning it up. So hopefully things will get better later on. But as you come in, to your left, there is the bathroom. So they have separated the toilet from the sink. Me personally, I don't like it. I like it when they're all together. Then they have mirror hair dryer there. Okay. Then you have your towels. Your shower is here. And they have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo, like most other hotels. Okay, oh, that's nice. They give a little night light. That's cool, in my opinion. Okay, next we open up and we have an iron and an ironing board here. And we have cupboards with a safe. To be honest, I hardly ever use a safe. You have more storage area. This is pretty big bed, but I don't think this is a king. Is it a king? I can't remember what I ordered. It might be, because the room is kind of big in my opinion. Okay, so then you have another nightstand with storage. Moving over here, you have the chair with a lamp. And then over here, you have a desk, tissue, wastebasket. What's this? This down here probably is, yeah, that's the refrigerator. I don't see a microwave, so I might have to ask for one. And then this is the big screen TV. And they give you a coffee maker, but coffee, an ice bucket, water, cups, okay, and a nice huge mirror. And yes, I was killing them with the red. I don't know why. Something in my spirit just said, wear nothing but red. And I did. My mother, when I told her, she was like, girl, are you crazy? You doing too much. She was like, people are going to think you're a MAGA supporter. But listen, this is one of the red states anyway, so they probably don't care. But yeah, I saw a couple of haters on the plane, but I don't care. I feel like I look fresh and clean. I'm doing it, period, point blank. And I'm going to be wearing red the whole entire time. Not this particular outfit, of course, but just, keep it one color, make it easy. I'm only here for 5 days. Just found out I'm supposed to be here for 6 days, which is crazy. Now I don't know. It depends what the agenda is on the last day. This is from my view. I'm looking at the Ferris wheel outside. It's like they got a whole bunch of stuff to do here. Like, you really don't need to leave the property, but you know me, I'm leaving the property, but I'm not gonna go too far. Real talk, I'm not gonna go too far off of the property. But yeah, I'm facing the courtyard. Okay, be back. I gotta go down to registration and see what this is all about.